In this video, I will show you how to create folders and move files into folders. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started, what we're going to do is look at how to create a folder. So you can do this on your desktop or anywhere using your File Explorer. Basically, what you want to do is right click anywhere on a blank space and you're going to get this menu come up. Then what you want to do is hover over new, and this is going to bring up the submenu, and you can see an option for folder. So go ahead, give that a click. As you can see, we've got our new folder here and we can name this whatever we want. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one important documents, just like so. Once we've created our folder, as you can see, if we double click, the folder is empty. There's currently no files in that folder. So to move files into the folder, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is select the files that you want to move. So you can click onto one or hold down Control to click and select multiple files. And once you've done that, what you can then do is drag and drop this simply by hovering over the folder. What that's going to do is move these files into that folder. So if we now open that folder, you can see the files have been moved into that folder. That's how to create folders and move files into folders. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.